Ms. Harris, go ahead and unmute yourself.
Good morning. This is cause number
Ms. Harris,
20-0807 in the interest of Carly Harris. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
All right, please state your name, ma'am, and your relationship to the child.
My name is Sade Linnell Harris, and I'm the mother.
Okay, and representing the state of Texas.
Jarquita Williams, Your Honor.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent, Roy Earl Dabney, is not present and that he was personally served on December 22nd, 2020, 3:52 p.m. at 1098 South FM 2037, Linnaw Unit, Fort Stockton, Pecos County, Texas. He's not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct, Ms. Williams?
No, Your Honor. He has not filed an answer and he has not made an appearance.
All right, we will proceed by default. Go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, the state would like to move forward on the no answer default and would like to call Ms. Harris as his first witness.
All right.
Ms. Harris, state your relationship to the child, Carly.
Mother.
And Ms. Harris, who is the father of Carly?
Roy Earl Dabney.
Were you married when Carly was conceived?
No.
How do you know that Mr. Dabney is the father of Carly?
He was the only one I with, and then we did a paternity test, and it stated that he was 99.9% the father.
Okay, and that paternity testing proved Mr. Dabney to be the father of Carly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and are you asking this court to establish the paternity between Carly and Mr. Dabney?
No.
You're asking the court to establish that Mr. Dabney is the father of your daughter, Carly.
I'm sorry, I misheard you. Yes, ma'am.
Do you want to admit State's Exhibit 1, Ms. Williams?
And here,
Ms. Williams, do you want to admit State's Exhibit 1, which is the lab report?
Yes, Your Honor. The state would like to admit State Exhibit 1, the DNA testing results into evidence.
Okay. Court will, any objection to that, Ms. Harris?
No objection at all.
All right, the court will then note that the LabCorp report would indicate that the alleged father, Roy E. Dabney, cannot be excluded as the biological father of the child, Carly R. Harris, who is the child subject to this suit. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And it's submitted. All right.
Thank you. Ms. Harris, when is the last time that James had any communication with the child?
When Carly was 1.
Okay, and at this time, pardon me, and at this time, are you requesting to be the managing conservator of the child as Mr. Dabney is incarcerated?
Yes.
Okay, also at this time, are you currently aware that there will be no possession and access order put into place as Mr. Dabney is incarcerated? Is that your request?
Yes.
No visitation, in other words, at this time. You understand that, Ms. Dabney? I mean, Ms. Harris.
I understand that.
All right.
Okay. Are you also aware at the right now, are you asking this court to disclose your information? Are you okay with the court disclosing your information to Mr. Dabney?
Yes, I'm okay with it.
Okay. And right now, how is the children covered? How is the child covered for health insurance?
Through Medicaid.
Okay. And although the child is covered through Medicaid because of Mr. Dabney's incarceration, you are aware that cash medical support will be set to zero starting August 1st.
Correct.
And also, as a result of Mr. Dabney's incarceration, you are aware that child support will also be set to zero as of August 1st,
Yes.
2021. Okay, and you are also asking the court to set retroactive child support at $0.
Yes.
Are you asking the court to order Mr. Dabney to pay all the court costs?
Yes.
And are you asking the court to grant this default judgment?
Yes.
Your Honor, I have no further questions. I pass this witness.